Ladies and gentlemen, el guanyador de la FIFA Pilota d'Or, el ganador del Balon de Oro, the winner is...
The winner of the FIFA Balon d'Or is...
Lionel Messi.
It really could only be Lionel Messi. Made his debut for the first team in a friendly match against Jose Mourinho's Porto back in 2003. Less than a year later, Rijkaard let him loose, and he has never, ever looked back. By some considerable way, the world's #1 footballer. First to retain his title then since Ronaldinho won it in 2004-05.
Buenas noches y muchísimas gracias por ese aplauso.
Well, good evening. Thank you very much.
La verdad, no esperaba ganarlo hoy.
To tell you the truth, I didn't expect to win today. You know, it's already a sort of source of happiness to be here with my friends, but to win it makes it indeed a very, very special day. But you know, I want to share this with all of my friends, and I hope they can celebrate with me. And again, my teammates, without whom I simply would not be here, and that is including my coach as well. And I want to share this with the fans as well, who make every day such a pleasure.
Congratulations to Lionel Messi before he leaves the